This problem says to determine the value of k for which the following function is continuous at x equals 3. And the function is f of x is equal to x plus 3 squared minus 36 over x minus 3 for when x is not equal to 3, or everywhere other than x is equal to 3, and then k when x is equal to 3. So if we just draw a quick little sketch over here, if we have our function, I don't know what the function really looks like, but I'm just going to pretend that the function looks something like this. If the function is approaching, say this is x is equal to 3 here. If the function is approaching x is equal to 3 and then it skips over x is equal to 3, we're going to have like a hole or something here, and then the function will continue. It could be a vertical asymptote or something, but assuming that this problem is asking us to make the function continuous, I'm going to assume that it's a hole. So what we're looking for is where the top function is equal to this value of k. So let's write x plus 3 squared minus 36 over x plus 3. We need that to equal the value of k. And whatever this value of k is, that will, for example, fill in this hole. And so it will make the function continuous everywhere, and also at x is equal to 3. So to figure that out, how do we find this value of k? We can't just plug in x is equal to 3, or sorry, I wrote x plus 3 on the bottom, and that should have been x minus 3. Let me correct that. There we go. So now we can't just plug in 3 into this fraction, because if we plug in 3, the denominator goes to 0 and we can't find the value of k. So let's first try to simplify this fraction. I'm going to notice that the numerator is a difference of squares, because we can write 36 as 6 squared. So the difference of squares formula is a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So let's rewrite the numerator as the first thing, which will represent our a, is the x plus 3, minus the second thing squared, which is our 6. So minus 6, that's our first parentheses. And then the second parentheses would be the first thing, which is x plus 3. Plus the second thing, so that would be the 6. So using the difference of squares formula, I factored the numerator. And now let's see if we can simplify. X plus 3 minus 6 will go to x minus 3. And then x plus 3 plus 6 will go to x plus 9 over x minus 3 is equal to k. So here we go. We have now a factor of x plus 3 on top and bottom, so this factor can cancel out, and it leaves us with x plus 9 is equal to k. Now we can plug in our value of x, which is 3, in for our x value. So 3 plus 9 equals k, or k is equal to 12. So k equal to 12 would fill in our hole in our function and make the function continuous. So I hope this solution was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and like and share with anybody who you think might find these videos useful. Thank you.